come on. Back in here. Restart. Back through, you can see the enormity. It's huge. The size, if you can just see that, you probably can't see, it's a bit dark, but the length of the cave from one end to the other. That's fantastic actually. We're back through into the entrance hallway now, as you can see. So if we turn left into the lounge, as you can see straight ahead is the old bread oven. We've kept that, we're going to put a light in there. As you can see now, the ceiling and walls are finished fantastically. This is still to be painted though. Turn left again and we'll go into the study. Nice little room. Right outside there. Sit here. Nice views over the countryside. Through the little cubby hole that goes through to the hallway, which the hallway leads to the kitchen. Come out of the study, straight through, as we can see we're in the lounge again. We go straight through into the dining room, which is rather nice. Nice dome ceiling, and a couple of the alcoves there, which is really nice. Be nicer once we get some light in the place so you can see it properly. Come out here, that's the fireplace here, the bread oven as I said, but in the corner there is going to be the log burner, the main log burner for the house. Turning right, we come through to the bodega, which is just the hallway through. We're going to have some wine bottles in here. The hallway through to the kitchen, and the hallway is lovely, rustic features here. I know rustic covers a lot of words, but it's a fab look. Right into the kitchen now. The kitchen's been all done. Yesod. Fab. That's the big cupboard for the fridge, freezer, washing machine and the boiler. And as you look up, you can see the big hole in the ceiling, which is going to be, I'll put an ultra, what's it Shirley again? The
skylight.
Skylight, it's a skylight, yeah, it's going to be enhanced with a stainless steel. There's Shirley at the window and the kitchen, and that's the view that we get from our kitchen window. Most likely the scaffold will be away, but it's a fab view when Shirley's doing the dishes.
Not.
As she does.
Well, that's where the dishwasher's going, isn't it?
The dishwasher's going to go there.
Right there.
In fact, the dishwasher's right here. Hey. The dishwasher there, and the sink will go right at the window. And moving along, that's where the hob and the oven will go there. And the units will go right along that wall.
And the kitchen table over there.
Kitchen table will go to the right of the units, in that corner, which is quite, it's got a good size anyway. Moving outside, come outside, and we've got this little garden to deal with. Don't even go there. And that's it today from Cuevas Helena. But I'm going to walk out onto the garden drive. This is where the pool will go. Right, the campo.
That's where the pool is. That.
Yep, right where the lump is. To the right is pepper field, which will do fine for my curries. And I turn round, and that's the view we get as well. We'll go on the roof, you see a bigger view, but you get the view over there.
And see the rental cave.
Look back.
Clear day. Pick it
We
up.
walk down the drive, the garden drive. And that's a secret garden wall outside. we're going to do to the left of that, hopefully, is going to be the further one more cave, which is going to be the rental cave. And we'll just fence this off, and the garden can be there and drive and whatever. We'll try and put a 2-3 bedroom rental cave in there to give us some income in our pensionista days.
And then we're going up there.
Then we're going to go up the side there, up onto the roof of the caves,
For the view.
and put a terrace, a small terrace up there, actually up just behind where the chimneys are, and that looks right over Lake Negratin, or Negratin. Okay, oh, that's the finish. Thank you.